So Assalamualaikum Datuk Amir, Prof Abu and Major Azimi. So I'm Muhammad Zarif Farhan bin Syamsul Zaham. I will be representing my team for the application of FWC. So Datuk, for the project brief, first we have the purpose, which is to prepare the requirement for obtaining approval of AAR for the new AWC, which is a new regulation from CAAM, and our goal is to qualify AAR for applying and also get approved for the AWC. And the timeline that we estimated is to be completed by the end of 2021. So by studying the background of your company, we can list the portfolio, which is for plantation and also aerospace supplier, as you explained earlier, and also for the program that involve in aquaponic, so pineapple plantation and also maintaining aircraft equipments. And for the project that we are handling is applying for agriculture drone operation AWC and also designing the drone. So for the value creation of this company is that for the strategy, we are aiming to reduce the cost, and we aim for expanding the business by diversification, because as Datuk mentioned earlier, you have a lot of business, a lot of activities ongoing for your company. And also, since CM has come out with a new regulation, it is an opportunity for this company to go in this field. And for the project is applying for agriculture drone approval, and the benefit of this project for the company is that the company can achieve business expansion and can get more revenues, and also can explore the advanced technology that can be created by designing the drone. And by designing own drone, we also can reduce the operational cost, because we know how to maintain the drone ourselves. So this is the proposed organizational chart, and this is the schedule that we have come out for the project. So we started with the project initiation, planning, and then execution, and finally for the closure. And this is the Gantt chart, the flow of the process for the project. And finally, for the budget estimation, I would like to show you the Excel spreadsheet, which is this one. So this is what we estimated the cost might be for the application of WC. It might take about 50 days, which we set to start from the 4th of October and completed by 10th of December. And finally, this is the final cost, which is supposed to be in RM. And this might not be the real cost. We just estimated it. So hopefully Datuk can comment on this more for us. So I think that is all for application project.
Okay, Datuk. So ada mana-mana area Datuk nak clarify further, boleh ask lah. For detail. So maksudnya
yang costing ni application sampai 57 tu, what does it involve? The detail yang 57,000 tu. Itu application of AWC kan?
Yes. So application ni dia libatkan bahagian initiation.
Buka project labor tak?
Sorry?
Buka Datuk, bila people ask what are the detail, you kena buka project labor. Yang ini dipanggil summary, ada cost apa semua. So bila ada question siapa-siapa letter, bila you kerja nanti, bila CEO kata what are the detail, you kena buka project management software tu.
Okay.
Boleh buka tak?
Boleh.
Bagus, as presentation for CEO bagus, sebab CEO tak ada masa lebih dari 5 minit. Tapi Datuk Amir dia owner, dia user, so dia nak tahu detail lah. Kalau corporate CEO dia 3 minit je. Yes, no je.
Okay, this one.
That AWC tu based on how many units?
We estimated for 2 units, Dato'.
2 units.
Sebab regulation 2 unit kan?
Yeah.
Sebab dia ikut regulation. Regulation 2 unit.
Can you see the project libra?
Ni project management software. Maybe besar sikit kot. Datuk nak tengok nak nombor ni. Yang ini you kira 1 hours berapa ratus?
1 hour for resource.
Ada resource Datuk. Dia orang delete
Yeah,
every ada cost. Ha? RM42.
Sejam.
Dia beza-beza tu. So setiap aktiviti ada resources. Resources tu ada rate dia.
Yeah.
Ini standard rate dia. So kalau kita nak tunjuk what they have done and how they understand lah. Tapi bila kalau Datuk betul nak data, betul-betul nak detail how this thing run.
This is hourly rate yang dia guna. The 57,000 is based on the man hour rate yang
pekerja tu.
The program lah.
Pekerja tu.
Okay. Faham. I thought it's documentation dan juga registration.
Yang ini bila kita buat project management, yang task tu kita capture hours of activity. Ini resources dia. To the left. Okay, ini resources yang kita perlu. Kita kena ada ketua manager, gaji sekali lah. Ada gaji ketua manager, flight operation manager, safety manager, authorized remote pilot, technician. Ada technician, lepas tu dia tahu cost dia orang consider themselves project manager, pun ada price.
Ini yang untuk training ni, untuk pilot training ni, dah masuk dalam tu tak program tu? Project?
Tak.
Oh, tak lagi.
Consider pilot ni memang dah ada license dia hire. Yes.
Okay.
Tapi dalam aktiviti 50 hari tu, pilot dah ada price kan?
Yeah.
Because you tengok sini, project initiation. Dia ada project cycle. Project cycle dia project initiation, project planning, project execution, and then bawah closure kan. Tu detail lah. So project initiation ni kita ada.
Okay. Aku dah tak nampak ni kecil sangat.
Okay. Atas sikit. Ada yang mula. Kita explain yang mula. Okay. You kena belajar explain tau. Tak payah formal sangat explain. Okay. Project initiation. Establish the company. Employ people 2 hari. So 2 hari tu orang nak hire orang 2 hari aktiviti tu, 2 hari tu ada cost dia. Zero Kita tahu zero. Okay, zero, tak ada cost. Personal training. Training ada masuk dah. 5 hari training RM7,000. Lepas tu competency assessment 2 hari RM2,000. And then project planning planning saja, acquire OEM document, flight manual, maintenance 2 hari. Yang tu kalau you hired people on board, itulah cost dia. Sebab dia duduk kat office you cari benda tu. Ini ops document preparation, operation manual, safety manual, UAS maintenance program. So operation manual 3 hari, safety manual 4 hari, UAS maintenance program 4 hari. Itu bukan saya bagi dia orang. I think they doing very outstanding job to me lah. Memang boleh pakai dah ni. US preparation, assemble the UAS 3 hari, 2 hari. Itu kena tanya Datuk lah. maybe lebih 2 hari. Assemble itself dah cost you takut Datuk tengok kot.
Mana?
5,000 eh?
Assemble.
1,000. Ha,
Assemble 1,000.
1,000 2 hari. So
1,500.
2 hari, okey kena kira lah seorang ke 2 orang? Seorang. 1 person. Technical technician 1 person. Okay. Prepare complete US record purchase, record assembly. Okay, semua record 2 hari 2 hari 2 hari. Pun ada cost. Lepas tu dah semua
Apa tu record of purchase and record of inspection tu?
record yang tu lah yang kita prepare record of purchase, bill of sale, contract apa semua lah. Maybe the hours tu lebih lah, maybe sehari je kot, half a day ke. Tapi aktiviti tu dah captured lah. Kan kita beli assembly record, test record semua tu. Itu record purchase ni maybe kita kena put dah half a day lah kot. Sebab record purchase ni pun tak banyak, just bill of sale je. Kita boleh reduce lah. Tapi aktiviti tu boleh kita maintain gitulah. Record assembly 2 hari. So record assembly ni 2 hari tu macam okey lah. Tapi record purchase tu maybe half a day.
Record purchase and record assembly tu sekejap je.
Sekejap je.
Assembly tu the actual job is about 2 days lah. 1 day or 2 day je. Assembly.
Okay.
Dia quite forward.
So maybe boleh letak assembly and record lah. Tapi kalau tak captured nanti kita miss. Okay, record inspection. So maybe record inspection half a day lah.
Yes.
Inspection
half a day. Record tak banyak.
Okay.
Drone ni straightforward dia punya tu. Komponen tak banyak. So ikut straightforward.
Orang ni orang kapal terbang. Okay. Pre-application, review, compliance checklist. Yang ini lama sikit dia letak 1. Patutnya ini 1 tu okey lah, tapi maybe more lah. Review compliance checklist, apa tu? Pre-inspection. You cerita sikit.
Okay,
application process.
Bahagian ni sebab dia dah memang ada dalam manual untuk application process AWC daripada CAM sendiri.
Dia ikut undang-undang lah 6011 betul?
Ya, betul. So untuk POPs form ni dah memang CAM bagi dalam manual tu untuk diisi sebelum kita hantar untuk application. So untuk review checklist ni kena tengok apa yang perlu ada dulu, and bila dah isi POPs form ni hantar ke CAM and kena set up untuk informal meeting dengan pihak CAM dulu.
Betul. Dah buat dah pun sebenarnya. Unofficially. Okay. So explain lah apa lagi.
Next bila dah dapat green light daripada pihak CM dalam informal meeting ni, baru boleh start untuk proses application. So, dalam proses application ni ada beberapa form yang perlu diisi. Contohnya commercial AWC application form, attachment C1 ni dengan schedule of event. And bila dah siapkan semua ni, lepas dah bayar yuran untuk application, barulah boleh set up untuk meeting secara formal dengan pihak CAM untuk discuss about the operation and all the activities for agriculture drone yang company ni nak buat nanti. And once CM approve the activities and all the form, the company need to prepare the US drone for a demonstration to CAM UAS unit. And for the demonstration, the company need to prepare record that they have to present to the CAM unit before demonstration, which is the flight log, maintenance log, and RCOC. RCOC is like the pilot, the drone pilot log and the tech log. And then for the demonstration, we need to check the NOTAM, notices to amend for the current situation of the flying area for the demonstration shot, for the demonstration site, and also can do the demonstration to the CAM itself. Finally, once all the demonstration and also the application has been completed, can come into the project closure phase, which is after the application, we wait for the approval of the AWC and we can analyze the performance of the management team.
You pernah buat ke ni? Cantik ya. You boleh jadi konsultan.
Sir ya ajar ilmu daripada sir.
You boleh jadi konsultan orang nak apply AWC ni. Benda ni IP you ni. Okay, I think, okay Dato', any comment? What do you think?
Okay, I ada a few comments lah. Generally, is a very good planning. The only comment, I rasa macam your duration yang you guna ni slightly panjang. In actual fact, I must say the drone punya ni, record apa semua ni, contoh macam record of logging tu kan, actually one person can do for 1 day or 2 days je, one person je.
Okay.
Because dia untuk 2 drone, dia tak banyak sangat and that's quite straightforward. It's unlike aircraft operation. Aircraft is slightly different lah. Dan biasanya pilot drone ni kalau you nak collect dia punya hours, dia dah ada dah record dia themselves. The reason why they have record because bila dia nak charge to the farmer, bila dia buat, I'm talking about drone yang pertanian. The operation yang dia buat sekarang ni, bila dia terbang, dia kena record macam logbook dia sebab dia nak charge dekat petani. So ketika kebun ni berapa hours, berapa liter dia sembuh, semua rekod ada in one sheet, in one logbook. So untuk application ni kalau 2 drone, you talking about 4 person because satu drone dalam 2 orang. So it's not many data kat situ dan juga benda tu memang straightforward, memang ada dah. So the number of days that you put in is slightly longer lah. Itu yang dalam record untuk presentation yang you buat 2 hari tu kan. Like log apa semua tu. Itu I nampak agak panjang sikit lah. And then I'm not going to comment about the costing sebab costing is based on the hours yang you charge tu. So it just multiply by the number of days lah. That I think the costing yang you buat ni is based on the if you outsource benda ni, betul tak?
Maksud outsource?
Ini outsourcing ni.
Tak.
Outsourcingnya rating kan?
Tak.
Ke
yang ini
you punya staff sendiri yang buat?
Yang ini staff. Maksud dia apa yang dia orang buat ni, katakan you kata okay, I nak apply AWC. Dia orang ni project manager lah. Is a project manager dalam company you. Sebab company kalau ikut ISO 21500, company ada 3 benda. Portfolio, program dengan projects. Portfolio tu business you.
Yes.
You ada 2 business. Business you agriculture dengan aerospace. So dalam setiap portfolio tu ada programs. Program aerospace you jual spare, repair barang apa semua tu program. Tapi dalam program spesifik, katakan you nak repair fuel pump, itu projek. Sama juga dalam kes ni you nak buat plantation. Itu you punya portfolio. Plantation, you punya program ada padi, ada aquaponik, ada benda semua lah. Dalam kes ni, dalam you nak, dalam salah satu daripada portfolio program you adalah semburan, dispensing of fertilizers and pesticide. So you kena apply AWC. Application AWC itu adalah satu projek sebab dia ada short period.
Ya. So itu yang I tanya tu. Adakah ia is it
So
the process nak apply tu, your rate tu is based on your outsourcing rate? or
Datuk punya soalan betul, correct. Gaji
is
you
it
lah.
you consume the internal resources? Maksud dia staff you buat sendiri ke macam ni? Your calculation ni based on what? Outsourcing
So
Based
calculation
on yelah, mana dapat rate ni? You letak lah kan?
rate ni kami ikut macam dalam
Gaji.
rate gaji
You-
semasa dalam Malaysia ni.
Gaji semasa dalam Malaysia, lepas tu you break into hours.
Ya.
Betul lah tu. In-house ke outsourcing ke
In-house
sama
lah.
lah. Katakan gaji technician 3,000 macam tu kan?
Ya.
Sejam berapa? Ya, betul?
Betul.
Yelah. Dia mahal sebab dia dah ada gaji you sendiri masuk kat situ. Sebab gaji you dalam period ni you ada projek, ada customer managernya aktiviti tak?
Ada bahagian application English.
Bahagian commission ada. So you gaji you, hourly rate you ada kat situ. Tapi you boleh cut lah as you.
I can see that dia punya rate tu okay lah, understand. 42 tu make sense lah. Because kalau you outsource lagi mahal sebenarnya. That's why I tanya.
Outsource lagi mahal, betul.
That's why I tanya tu. Outsourcing rate ke ataupun ni. Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua,
sebab balik kepada slide tadi, apa yang dia orang cuba lihat, mereka ni dalam buat out chart ni, show out chart balik.
Check to resource.
Tak. Yang slide tadi.
yang org chart tu, org chart.
Org chart. So dia orang dah also recommend how you have to structure the company for this.
Oh, yang chart. Okay.
Yang chart ni. Ini semua ikut ISO 21500 bang. This project management, so project program and portfolio management standards. Ni. So banyak company dia tak structure properly, dia jadi tak efficient. So dalam ISO, that's how we have to structure kan. Dia ada operation dan dia ada project. Project ni tak kira lah. Tapi dia ada at least maybe seorang memang handle project. So dalam erti kata ni, dia orang create kan operation, aerospace dan agriculture ni, itu okey lah. That's why you tengok ni, agriculture, dia ada DOA, dia ada ini yang DOA. Yang ni bukan DOA sebenarnya, silap sekali. Ini adalah AWC ni. Ada flight ops, ada safety manager. Department of Agriculture ni bukan, Department of Agriculture. Okay. Bukan DOA Design Organisation.
Itu department dalam company.
Dalam AR. Okay, betul. Structure tu betul. Flight ops manager dengan
Betul.
Itu operation. Tapi on the project side ni, apa kita buat, kita ada orang yang handle project. So anything macam buat aquaponic, dia jaga. Lepas tu later orang kata you nak buat aquaponic tu, you nak jadikan tepung apa semua tu, is a project. So project ni kadang sama ada you nak employ full time ramai, ataupun you resources ni you korek lah. That's what they trying to structure this lah. Kita ikut 21500. Okay. So sekarang ni dalam, kalau you tengok project planning,
it's a good planning lah. It's a good planning. Cuma tu lah my comment banyak on the
costing.
The number of days that you forecasted.
Okay.
Untuk tu maybe because you have not seen the drone itself kan. You tak boleh nak bayangkan how long it takes, which is understandable lah. Different drone has different characteristic. Tapi drone pertanian ni, if you ask me, it's quite straightforward. Major component dia basically dekat electronic punya side lah. Mechanical side tak banyak sangat, because dia biasanya tak banyak komponen. Yang you nak ni banyak elektronik je. Itu je. So,
ada satu group ke tu. Ini group design.
Okay, alright.
Okay, yang ni very good. Thank you.
Terima kasih Muhammad. Safari and the team Izar and the team.
Zare, Zarfan and Adila.
So very good. Kalau ada siapa-siapa nak apply AWC, cakap jumpa you all lah. Sebab template tu memang dah cantik.
Takut dia orang bila tengok figure tu dia terkejut tu.
Figure tu kalau sebenarnya memang mahal bang.
Memang tu. Which most people they are not aware of. Dia tak boleh bayangkan. Kita dah dengan industri kita tahu. Orang tak tahu.
Betul? Okay, group next one, group design.